Hi everybody, we are in Gustine, Texas. Starting off at the United States Post Office, 76455. This is a very tiny town, so we're just going to have to take a quick look at it. Take a look at this building right here. It has fossils and petrified wood as the in the front of it, which is pretty interesting architecture. You don't see that very often. It was done in 1933. Look at all that petrified wood. Very cool. And next to that is the Alsop's Barber Shop. We have the Gustine Insurance Agency. Got our neighborhood dog over there. We got the First National Bank right here in the corner. And we have the Rosebud Mercantile. And down the way, there's nothing much there. You got a thrift store right there in the corner. Howdy. And next to that is a little pavilion that you can rent out for $50 a day. And the City Hall. So, this was a quick tour of Gustine. As you can see, it's a very tiny town. I just thought I'd show it to you. Thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you next time. Remember, you're all dearly loved.